Today, we're going to activate an Outdoor Maps Plus subscription on an Alpha 300 series handheld. In this video, you will need your handheld, the included USB cable, your compatible smartphone, a computer with internet access, and a credit card. On your computer, navigate to www.garmin.com/outdoormaps. Outdoor Maps Plus annual subscription plan will be displayed. You will need to purchase this subscription using the same account that is associated with your Alpha 300 handheld. When you're ready to proceed, add the plan to your cart and complete the checkout process. If you have not already registered your Alpha 300, you can do so now using Garmin Express. This will establish an association between the device and your subscription. From your browser window, go to www.garmin.com/express and select the download depending on which operating system your computer uses. For today's demonstration, we will be using a Windows computer. If you need help installing Garmin Express, there is a link below the download that includes step-by-step instructions. Once you have installed Garmin Express, launch the program. With Garmin Express open, connect your handheld to the USB-C end of the cord. Then insert the USB end into an available USB port on your computer. Once you connect the handheld to your computer, Garmin Express will detect your device. If this is the first time using Garmin Express, the program will notify you a new device has been detected and ask if you want to add device. Once Garmin Express has found your handheld, you can choose to register it and give it a recognizable name. If you have multiple systems, it is a good idea to add some additional detail so you can easily distinguish between your handhelds. Your Alpha 300 is Wi-Fi enabled. You can set up your Wi-Fi connection here. Select Find Networks if you are setting up Wi-Fi. A list of available networks will display. Choose a network followed by entering in the password. Your Wi-Fi network has now been added to your Alpha 300 handheld. Select Next. Express will determine if any software updates are available. If there are, choose Install All and follow the prompts to complete the process. Now that we have purchased the Outdoor Maps Plus plan and updated our Alpha 300, you are ready to activate your map plan. Install the Garmin Explore app from your compatible smartphone's app store. Now, open the Explore app. Here, you can sign in if you already have an account. If not, you will need to create one. Then agree to the end-user license agreement and select Next. Make sure to use the same email address registered on your Alpha 300 handheld. If you are allowing for your data to be backed up to your account, select Enable Cloud Storage. Your Alpha 300 handheld will be shown in the list of devices. For help pairing your device with the Garmin Explore app, see our Explore app pairing video. On your Alpha 300, scroll down and select Map Manager. Now select Outdoor Maps Plus. Select Check Subscription. Your map subscription is now activated and available to download to the Alpha 300. To download maps, select Add. Your handheld will begin requesting map update data. Now select Use Map. Then select the location you want to download. Then select the Download button to begin. Once the download is complete, your map will be available to use. To download additional areas, repeat the download steps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.